Hey guys, this is Remy and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be very interesting haul kind of a video. Read the title already, right? So that is my Instagram followers selected what should I buy. I was about to buy some stuff for the winter season from Stalkbuylove. I decided to switch things up a little and make Instagram followers control what I should shop from Stalkbuylove. So I posted some poll stories on my Instagram page and asked you guys as well to participate over there. And many of you guys did participate and you guys did DM me as well about your choices. It's not like I liked all the selections. I did wanted something else, but the poll choices were a little different from me. So yeah, whatever you guys selected, I bought that and I'm gonna show you what all I got and how do I feel about them. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. The first item that I got is this one, and this is a beautiful sweatshirt. Although this was the one I wanted as well and you guys selected it, so I was like, yay, I finally got this one. And I was like a little skeptical. As you guys can see, this is the one that I kept with this one. I like that one as well. It had that plaid pattern and I have that plaid pant as well to go with it. So I thought that okay, even if I get that one, the second one that was a plaid one, I will be okay, but I really wanted this one, and it turns out that most bloggers got this one for their winter haul as well, and I think I made the right decision and you guys did too. So this was the one I got, and it's a very oversized sweatshirt. It's not like, it's like totally oversized. It is loose from everywhere. Along with the sleeves, its sleeves has this feature. It has this puffiness around the sleeves, and yeah, this is how it looks on me.
I know better than to call back. I missed your call. I finally think I'm fine with that. I know it hurts when love bites back, but it's your fault. I wish you'd just accept that.
Okay, let me show you guys what the next selection was. So this is one leather jacket and this one is the other. You can see clearly that both are brown suede fabric leather jackets. They're not actually leather, they was basically suede jackets, and they both are in brown color. The only difference is the studs and the other one has no studs. You guys clearly selected the second one and I was kind of into the first one, that was the studded one, because that is kind of more unique in the suede jacket, but you guys selected the second one, so I went for it, of course, because you guys were the one who was selecting my outfits and I had to get the one that you guys choose. So yeah, I went with it, and to be very honest, I'm not disappointed at all. So you guys can clearly see this is the jacket I got, and the material is really nice, to be very honest. It keeps you warm, and it is quite warm because it's a suede fabric, and the inside part has this blazer the blazer lining that you get in every blazers. This is how it is. It has full sleeves, and the one thing that I didn't notice in the picture was that it has these zipper at the sleeve at the end of it, and I really liked it. And the jacket has also two zippers. But the one thing that I don't like about this is that once it gets close, it doesn't really look good to me, because what attracts me the most is the collar outlay, that like how it lays down, and instead of when you pull it up and zip it up, it's just looking a little different than you want. But it's something that you do only when it feels very cold. But other than that, it's a really good jacket. It has this belt as well to tie it up. So yeah, this is how it is, and let's see how it looks on me.
I know it hurts when love bites back, but it's your fault. I wish you'd just accept that. I got a better place to be, where the only focus is me. The away list got me feeling like I'm flying. I've been holding on to these dreams. I'm ready to take the leap, 'cause
the next item that I got from Stalkbuylove is are these two items that I asked you guys to select, and you guys clearly selected the black. I have no grudges against you guys, but I really wanted the red one because it was so pretty. But I don't know why you guys didn't like the red one. You guys liked the black instead. It's very plain and it only had some stripes at the end, and I really have a lot of black stuff, so I really wanted something different, a little more vibrant for myself. But you guys selected selected the black one, so I got it. Although I think the red one would have been much better. Just saying. So yeah, the item that I got is this one, and it's a very what do you call it, a little stiff bomber jacket. It's not that you know, soft, but I think that's because of the fact that it's a bomber jacket and it's supposed to keep you warm, because you know, these type of fabric, and it has a very thick fabric, so that I think keeps you warm. That's why it is stiff, and I really didn't feel the cold with this bomber jacket. And it also has a big hoodie, as you guys can see, and you'll see in the video as well. It's a very huge hoodie, and it will cover your face if you have a small face, smaller than mine though. And yeah, this is how it is. And it does not have pockets. That's a huge disappointment for me. It does not have pockets. I really like pockets when it comes to bomber jackets, because that's the whole idea about the bomber jackets, I feel. But I think it was just for the sake of the, you know, looks, and I don't know why they didn't add the pocket. I really wanted pocket, but that's okay. They gave you hoodie, so yeah, that's it. And let's just see how it looks on me.
I've been holding that in all stars.
Is from the Sejal brand, Sejal collaboration brand. These are the two items that I gave you guys to select. So you guys clearly selected the one that I wanted, so thank you. So yeah, the pink one is the one that I wanted, and you guys clearly selected that, so I was happy. I think I gave you, I think I was a little unfair when I gave you the yellow one, because majority of the people don't really like yellow stuff. Pink really looks good in winter season, so I guess I was a bit clever in this one, and I, you know, purposely gave you the yellow one so you guys don't select something prettier than the one that I wanted. And yeah, this is the one that I got. These kind of sweaters you get only in, you know, those flea markets and those Tibetan markets they you know, put up in winter season, because this is just so warm. Thing is that you won't get this kind of sweater anywhere these days, because nobody really cares about the you know, the warmth, or the for the sake of fashion, they don't really give you this this warm kind of sweaters anymore. At least that's what I find, and I don't really get any kind of sweaters. Like even the pink sweater I got from Shein, it was not warm at all. I was feeling cold all the time, but you have to wear something inside. But for this one, you really don't have to wear anything inside, and this will itself keep you warm. So I was really happy with it, to be very honest. Sejal did a really good job in this. I feel like this Sejal and Stalkbuylove, of course, you guys did a really good job, because it's so warm, it's so thick as well, and it has turtleneck. It's a very long and you know, high turtleneck, so you can fold it up and still it will cover, you know, this much of your neck. So that's really good. Not super long, but it's not super short as well, so that's also fine. And yeah, let's just see how it looks on me. So the next item that I got is the turtleneck top that I'm wearing. It's also a winter top, although it's not super warm, but it's kind of like a inner wear material. You know, the inner wear that you wear for winters, that's the material this one has, but you have to layer something over it because it has no sleeves. And the thing is that it's not high turtleneck, but it's like a very you know, medium low to medium turtleneck, because you can open this wrap and then wear it if you want, and it will be like till here. But if you feel like, because it's just, I feel like it doesn't look that good when it's open, so I folded it up like this so that it looks like this. And yeah, this is how it is. So let's just see what was the choice. I gave you guys this one, that is a black one, and the red one here. I was really okay with either one of them. I was okay with the red one, I was okay with the black one, but you guys did select black. I feel like most of you guys are, you know, partial towards black color and not bright and vibrant colors for the winter. I think that's okay. So yeah, this is the one I got, and this is, let's just see how it looks on me.
They will all look blue. I won't sacrifice no more pieces of me. I got a better place to be, where the only focus is me.
let's just see. The most exciting thing that I got is the next item that clearly someone is wearing right now, but you can see which two options that I gave you. So this one was a sequin one, and this one was this orange blazer kind of jacket. I was okay with both of them actually, but it's like in the end spare moments, I was really hoping that you guys won't select the orange one, because at that time I was feeling like, okay, I can pull it off, and then at the end moment I was like, oh, I gave you guys the wrong choice. If you guys select the orange jacket, I'll be doomed. Like, I'll be doomed seriously, because I won't be able to pull it off. Some people do pull it off, but I am not the one that could pull it off and look good in it. But you guys did the good job, and you guys selected this sequin one, and I was quite happy when I saw the result, because I was like, okay, this is something I wanted to wear for the New Year party, and now I can wear it. And you guys really helped me out here, and this was the one, and you guys clearly wanted the sequin one and not the orange one, so you guys and me are the same. And yeah, let's just see how it looks on me. Concludes the entire outfit that you guys clearly selected for me. I was unhappy with a few selections, of course, that I already told you, but I was okay. I was not like disappointed with the outfit, like with the item. And let me know if you want more such you know, Instagram followers or YouTube followers select my outfit stuff, and that would be great. I can do the YouTube stuff as well. I can post it on community page, and then you guys can select which outfit you want, and then I can get that as well. And I can do something like this. If you like this, if you like such kind of videos, let me know. And also guys, if you want any of these items, the links will be in the description box. If you want to get them, the links and the sizes and the prices, everything I'll be mentioning down there, and you guys can purchase it if you want. If you have an Instagram page, you can follow me over here. If you have a Facebook page, you can follow me over here. And also guys, I'm hosting a really small giveaway right now. I by mistake got like these 3 compact shades. So I have 2 NY Bay compact shades, are Victoria Beige look number 3 and Robin's Amber look number 8. So these are the 2 shades that I got. And then it's this one, and this is from Stay Quickie, and this is also a compact of shade number, yeah, High on Cafe number 4. The rules are already mentioned in the description box and along with the links that you have to follow, but I'll be telling you guys here as well. That is, you have to follow me on my Instagram page, and also follow purple.com on the Insta page. And once you have done that, comment down here your Insta handle, and then I'll check it and I'll announce the winner next week. And I'll select one person to get all the 3 shades. At least one of the shade will match you, and 2 you can give away to your family or friends. That's as simple as well. And an additional thing is that you can subscribe to my channel here as well, but that's completely optional. You don't really have to do it if you don't want to do it. The links to purple.com and my Instagram page will be in the description box. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.